Hi, I'm Igor Ruchka, realtor with Avenue 8. Welcome to 188 12th Avenue. Top floor, elegant, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, house like a condo in Lake Street district of San Francisco. Come, take a look. Elegant living awaits in this stunning top floor condo set within a beautiful renovated Edwardian 2-unit building. Inside, historic details and San Francisco charm have been wrapped in a sophisticated color palette and illuminated by beautiful arched windows, skylights, and glistening chandeliers. The stunning kitchen is bursting with top-of-the-line appliances, marble countertops, and custom cabinetry. Hardwood floors flow throughout, and electrical, plumbing, roofing, windows, and all systems have been updated. This penthouse floor plan offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus grand living spaces that include the formal dining room with French doors and the formal living room with ornate fireplace. We're here next to the toy boat on Clement Street. It's a famous spot for desserts, one of the best in the city. We are in Mountain Lake Park. It's a beautiful 14-acre park located north of intersection of Lake and 12th Avenue. This park has a lot of biking and hiking trails. In fact, those hiking trails connect you to the Baker Beach. The park has beautiful playground, renovated station for kids, tennis courts, and it's adjacent to the Presidio Golf Course. Baker Beach is the best beach in San Francisco, and it has the most amazing, beautiful sunset views of the Pacific, and of course, Golden Gate Bridge. If you're looking for the perfect property, Mountain Lake Park location, renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom penthouse within Edwardian 2-unit building, including brand new electrical, plumbing, roofing, windows, and all systems. There is no better place than 188 12th Avenue.